AI phone systems, what are they? How do they even work? Do they even work? And how can your business benefit? These are the questions that I'm going to be answering in this video. And by the end, you will be completely informed on the current state of AI voice agents and if they are something that you should be introducing for your business. If you have yet to see anything about these AI phone agents, here is a really quick demo from a previous video.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a property in California.
Oh, nice. We've got a stunning property in Malibu, California. It's priced at $2.5 million and comes with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, and private beach access. Plus,
Okay,
the
have you got
views are
anything
just...
cheaper?
I get it, Malibu's a bit on the pricey side. Unfortunately, that's the only property we have in California right now.
So, what are they and why should you look into them? AI phone agents aim to replace inbound and outbound phone calls. Rather than having a staff member or business owner take these repetitive calls manually, we can create an advanced AI trained to handle all questions. From this, staff can be reallocated to do more demanding tasks, and business owners can spend more time actually growing the business. And to give you some credibility, I helped fully automate all inbound calls for a property management company at my agency. They now only need to respond to callers who have directly requested to speak with someone, which significantly has reduced the amount of calls that they're getting and has saved them a lot of time. This is only one example, but I've worked with pressure washing companies, laundromats, e-com stores, real estate agents, travel companies, and much more. So, how do these voice agents actually work? AI phone agents combine 2 recent advancements in AI, which are AI language models like ChatGPT and AI voice models like 11 Labs. If you haven't yet experienced ChatGPT, you should probably do that right now. But this technology just allows us to generate human-like responses to our questions, and we can modify these results through prompt engineering. Think of prompt engineering as teaching the AI how to respond specifically to our needs. Once we've created our agent through prompt engineering, we can now send these generated responses to an AI voice model like 11 Labs. 11 Labs is one of the most popular providers on the market, and we can submit our text to their platform and they will send back a human-like voice reading our text. Combine these 2 technologies together and we now have a human-like conversational experience. Responses are captured by transcribers and sent to the AI agent, and we receive a response almost immediately from 11 Labs. If you want to learn more about the specifics of these agents and how they are developed, my channel has plenty of other videos that you can watch. For the biggest question of them all, do these phone agents actually work? Now, of course, my answer is yes, absolutely, but I'll tell you that extensive testing is required, not only on the technical side of things of these agents, but also on how different audiences respond to these agents. As I mentioned, I recently implemented an inbound phone agent for a property management company where I've seen great results. We fully automated almost 100% of inbound calls, answering questions and directing people to the correct departments. I've had similar results for a multi-trade services business, booking jobs, booking appointments, answering questions, forwarding emergencies, and etc. For outbound calls, we've seen great results with instant follow-up calls after form submissions, reactivating old leads, engaging cold businesses for B2B services. But one thing in common for each of these builds is that we stated at the start of the calls that the caller is speaking with some form of AI agent, digital receptionist, virtual assistant, whatever you want to say, that's the way. This has been a critical factor in ensuring that it is clear who they are engaging with right away. Nowadays, more people are more accepting of technology, handling more and more, and we are seeing this with our agents. Once it's made clear they are speaking with some form of advanced automated system, they do try to push it, ask their complex questions, and ultimately and reasonably try to get what they actually called for. And with a properly built voice agent, we can handle their request seamlessly, which typically blows the caller's mind. At the end of the day, the person calling wants to get what they called in for, and if this agent can deliver it quicker, it's a win-win for both parties. Now, how can your business benefit directly from this, and what can you expect when implementing these agents? Ultimately, there are 2 types of voice agents, inbound and outbound. Inbound is where we received calls. This could be a number placed on your website or on a social media channel. The phone number is typically called into for support, information, appointment scheduling, etc. Outbound is where we send out the call. So this could be cold calling, lead reactivation, where we are calling old leads, or we could do instant follow-up outbound calls, where someone submits a lead form and is immediately called to book an appointment. This could be implemented through a website or even Facebook ads. Understanding which implementation will work best for your business and needs is the first step, and we help clients with this. Typically, we will start with an inbound voice agent. An inbound agent is easier to learn from and understand from the types of inquiries that could be received. We can take what we know from this and dive into other agents. The exact effectiveness of an agent depends heavily on the number of calls currently being received and the types of inquiries coming through. Nonetheless, an agent capable of completely handling inquiries and an agent that handles a small amount of inquiries and diverts calls more frequently are incredibly effective at saving time. If you have any other questions about these agents for your business, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, don't hesitate to schedule a call with me using the link below.